Okay, we will start the session for today. And for the people who are joining late, we will again give you a brief summary at the end of the session. And also, we have another session uh, soon after this at 10 p.m. Sri Lankan time. So you can also join to that as well. All right. So welcome again. Thanks for joining. My name is Dileepa Fernando. I'll be joining you and I'll be your host for today's introductory free seminar. And with me joining from Canada, Chatura and Darshana will be joining from Sri Lanka. I will introduce both of the lecturers during the session as well. So again, a warm welcome to all the participants. And I will be taking you through the slides, and also my lecturers will be joining in the middle of the presentation to give you a brief understanding of the course structure as well as the benefits for you. So just to begin with, this is the certified lean quality performer CLQP. So as you can see, we will be one of the first companies and one of the only companies that deliver this type of a program. I will take you through the slides now. Just to give you a little bit of about the company, Academy for Lean, we do specialized in helping business to kind of streamline the operations using lean methodology. And also we have a few separate areas what we are doing. First one, the corporate consultancy. So we do this based on your requirement, and we have successfully conducted so many consultancy with many of the organizations in home country, that is in Sri Lanka, as well as globally. You can visit our website and you can visit our social media website to understand this better. And also we do corporate in-house trainings. This is including Lean, 5S, TPM, logistics with these trainings. We will give a company ROI as well. Currently, it's equivalent to 25,000 US dollars. So it's a targeted training, in-house training program. And also we do individual certifications. That's what we are doing right now. And that is the purpose of today's presentation. In terms of our partners, we have our major partner contributing from Canada, Ontario Business Excellence Inc. And also we have partnered with VK Academy, headquartered in Canada. And also we have our partner under same umbrella, Advanced IPSC Bangladesh. And also we have partnered with Lean Brains in Pakistan, and also Bestie FX Lean Six Sigma from UK. So these are some of the partners we have, and they are joining with us in delivering you this program. So you are covered in all angles. In terms of the participation, now this is our 5th batch that we are conducting, and for all 4 batches conducted earlier, we have participation from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Kenya, Ghana, Madagascar, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, Jordan, and Cambodia. So as you can see, it's a global representation that you will have. So on top of the learnings that you will get, the technical learning, you will be exposed to many networks globally. So that's kind of added advantage when you participate to a program like this. Now let me introduce the two lecturers that joining us today, and they will be the two lecturers staying with you for the entire training program. On my left hand, you find Darshana Ratnayaka, who is the president of Academy for Lean. He'll be personally conducting this program. He has 17 years of experience in conducting similar type of programs. And also, as you can see, he has trained 28 nationalities, providing lean consultancy. And he was one of the Nike trainers, lead coach, and also he already have the Nike certification as well. And there are many qualifications and experience listed out here, and also you can visit his personal LinkedIn page to understand his capabilities as well as his leadership more. And on my right hand, you have Chatura Bandara, who's joining with me from Canada, who has 11 years of experience in quality and lean. And then also his specialty towards certified for ISO and QMS as a lead auditor. And also he's a Lean Six Sigma black belt. He's conducting business management in Canada. And also he's a NDT textile and textile graduate. All right, so now I will let you understand about the purpose of this program. Hope everyone is familiar with this model. This is called the Lean House. So any Lean program that you may have already participated have given you this snapshot. But I just want to highlight, as you can see, the house has a stability, and then house has two pillars. And in the middle, you have motivated people. And at the top, at the roof, you have the goals. You have to be the best quality and lowest possible cost and the shortest lead time. These are like the major goals that any company would have. Now, in this whole program, you are targeting the Jidoka pillar, that is the right-hand side of the pillar of the house. It's called the built-in quality. You will come across many words like Jidoka in the program, and my lecturers, both lecturers will explain all these acronyms and meanings of these words when you move forward. Now, we are building you to be a strong pillar in this whole lean house with this certified lean quality course. And with that, I would like to invite one of my lecturers now. I will invite Chatura to take you through the next set of slides, and then I will join again. Thank you. Over to you, Chatura.
Thank you, Dileep. So good evening all, and I have seen the WhatsApp group. You all were very much excited to join today, and also for this Lean Quality Performer program. As Dileep explained, this is the fifth batch that we are going to conduct this program. Before I cover my slides, the Lean Quality Pathway, and also the content of this program, I want to highlight one point. So like we did last 4 batches, this is not another just an online certification. We have made this program a fully fledged program, and also you will learn all these things, lean and also the quality concepts, and you will be able to incorporate those learnings, tools, new techniques into your system, and like Dileep explained the lean house, you will be able to achieve all these goals. The main one of the main goal here is to, achieve the quality, delight the customer, not just, give the quality that the customer need, but also delight the customer. So that is what we have experienced throughout the last 4 batches. Like another point that Dilip explained, the cross learnings from the different participants from the, different countries. The experience are different, the practices are different, the quality management systems are different. So you'll be learning those practices, and also we'll be sharing some of the cases. It can be manufacturing, it can be, service sector, practical experiences, so that, you know how it works. And also not, we will not share the learnings. This is, a practical implementation program. We will be there to help, into when you implement everything into your system, we'll be guiding you to, successfully achieve your, implementation. So that is what we have learned, throughout the last 4 batches. And I wanted to highlight that point because, like I said earlier, I want to, emphasize that this is not just another online certification. We have, made this program to, achieve something in your business, in your department, and, make your business into next level. So let me, come to this slide. So this is the lean quality pathway. So in this green highlighted box, this is where, we're going to learn the first content of this program, the certified lean quality performer program. And, we have made this program for 20 hours, which means, approximately it will take 10 weeks, 3-month program. And also you'll be getting a standard, internationally standard certification, which will be, explained by Darshana in his slide later. And also once you complete this certified lean quality performer program, you will be eligible to start the certified lean quality expert program, which is the orange color box. So the lean quality expert program has 30-hour academic content, including the practical and also the implementation cases. In that also, you will be getting another certificate, a standard certificate, and also an ID card. So what kind of an ID card? Like I will give you, one example. Some of, you may are from apparel industry. So in apparel industry, GST is a backbone of, setting up the processes in apparel. So GST license is one of the, recognized certification ID cards across the globe. So this is kind of a, ID card which we are providing for you as a certified lean quality expert. So this is similar to a GST license. So that is one benefit that you will getting once you complete this lean quality expert. So that is about the lean quality pathway. And we'll be moving to, understand the content of the lean quality performer program. Moving forward, Dilip. So here we have 10 subject elements to cover this. We have included into this lean quality performer program. This is the lean quality performer program, but when you enroll to the lean quality expert program, we will be having another session, another introductory session to understand the content, and also the in detail version of the subject matters. So I'm not going to cover the whole 10 points, but I'll be covering 3 to 4 elements to understand and give you a synopsis of what you all are going to learn here. Like from the first point, lean quality, lean impact to quality systems, excellence, define quality, and like you see the 10 points can when it comes to the last point, problem solving tools. So there are 10 elements, 10 subject points. It doesn't mean that one subject element equals to 1 week content, but there are differences. Sometimes we'll be taking the core elements like 2 to 3 weeks. So I'll be covering some of the elements which are very much important here. So I will first explain the number 4 point, the practical application of 7 quality tools. So since, if you are into, quality or, operations, quality tools are very basics. But here, what our motivation, what our objective is to, learn 7 quality tools, and also how you practically apply everything into your system, not just the manual method. If you go through any other program, you will be learning the same thing which happened in last 10 to 15 years. That is what we have seen. But here, when you join with us, you will be learning all the AI, the artificial intelligence, and also the programs, the systems that you can use here in these 7 quality tools. If I tell some tools, if you learn the basics, if you want to do the analytics, sometime it will take like half an hour to 1 hour time. But with us, we'll be sharing that manual application, and also once you learn the automated tools, we will be able to do those analytics in 1 or 2 minutes. So that is the beauty of this program, and we will be learning, we'll be teaching everything from the scratch. And also you can see there are some jargons and also abbreviations, but don't worry about it, don't bother about it. We'll be giving you everything from the from very basic to advanced level with the meanings of right application. So the next point that I want to highlight here is the 6th point, CTQ, CTP, and ISQ. So this is where you may have heard the QFD, quality function deployment. The total quality function deployment is to understand the customer voice of customer, and incorporate those into your system, again, to your practices, and build control processes so that you achieve the lean house. One of the major goal in the lean house, the top part, which is to delight the customer. So QFD also will be teaching how you understand the voice of customer, and also how you define CTQs, the critical to quality, and how you set up the process, critical to processes, and implement control practices. That when you enroll with other programs, but again, I want to highlight, what we have seen is you will be learning what is CTQ, CTPs, but you don't have a chance to learn how you control the system. So that is what we are trying to be with you and implement into your practices. So we will be giving case studies. We'll be understanding some of the practical problems that you are facing right now in your business, and we'll be sharing how these techniques can tackle those problems and achieve the right solution. That is one element that I want to highlight. And also the number 7, the lean quality management, the M&I flow, and also QSM. I will just share what is M&I flow and QSM. M&I flow stands for material and information. QSM stands for quality supportive metrics. So this is the backbone of this program, the implementation part of this lean quality philosophy. So you have lean practices, and also you have quality system which are currently running in your business. So how do you combine these two philosophy together and again achieve the customer requirement? So M&I flow is the foundation. You will be understanding the material and information, how both works together, and you will be implementing quality supportive metrics to achieve the right quality and also delight the customer. So again, I don't want to kill your curiosity to understand what is this in this session, but you will be learning everything from the very basic, and also you will be implementing all these practical tools in your system and achieve your operations excellence. So don't worry, this can be applicable for the service sector and also manufacturing. Manufacturing obvious, and also we have trained and the participants have already, incorporated this into the service sector as well. So that is one point. And also another small point that I want to highlight here is the number 9, the daily team calibration techniques. So some of these techniques, like Dilip mentioned, we have, combined with some of the companies, partnered with some of the companies, and also we have derived some of these techniques to Six Sigma application. So again, this daily team calibration technique is a Six Sigma tool, but you will be, taking this tool into your system, and then you will be able to teach and train your fraternity, and then you also improve your your profile and also your team profile. So this is one element, a small technique, but it has a bigger impact. So all these 10 subject elements has a bigger impact. I'm guaranteed you will be you'll be motivated to implement all these techniques, tools which you will be learning while you are in the class, and also when you are going to your shop floor or your system, your service, and you will be motivated to see how these techniques works and how you achieve the results. So that is the main the biggest thing that we want to see. So I think that is enough for now. I will not cover the whole 10 points, but you will be again see how it works when we move forward. And with this, I'd like to ask Darshan to continue the next slides. Over to you, Darshana.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Chatura. So before I start, so thank you very much for the brief introduction about the course content, right? So before I start, so I would like to know our participants, where they joined from. Can you please type in our chat box, right? Not the WhatsApp group, in the Zoom chat box, where you joined, whether you are coming from Pakistan or Sri Lanka or Bangladesh or Indonesia, right? So can you please type where you joined today for this interaction session? Yes, please. And thank you. Yes, please go. Thanks, Wahidul. So sorry if I make mistakes when I pronounce your name, right? So please type once you type it down. So I will go through slowly about this program, right? Very simply, as Chatur explained, this is not just a theoretical class, right? This is fully practical class. Actually, you work with us. And other thing what we can do, we work with you. So those things happening during this class. This is not just listening and understanding this concept, right? So this concept actually we need to learn how to do it, right? This is not the examination and just pass and get the certification if you cannot implement what you are learning. So this is 100% practical class. If you have any your friends who has already done this course, please get a referral from them. They will be evident that how you get learn this program, right? Thank you everyone who joining with us for Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Yes, of course, maybe I missed some, but don't worry. Please keep on typing where you're from. Okay, so what is our methodology right now? Chatura has explained what are the things that we covered during this program and what is our teaching methodology, right? So you can see in the left hand side of my presentation. So this is 100% online class, right? The same way, same day, that means Saturday we have the English batch. Today is 100% online, but we will discuss and we have some games. We have interactive activities. So that is how the delivery part is going. And the second one, the interactive handbook, right? So every class we will give you an interactive handbooks. We share you a PDF file 2-3 days prior to the class. So you can get printout and get ready. This is an interactive handbook. Maybe sometimes you may heard about the word called interactive. It is not just a note down. There are a lot of games, a lot of activities. You need to do it with us, right? So that handout we will share with you. And the third one, at the end of every class, we will share you the class recording, right? We do the class in Zoom and we do the recording and we will share with you the recording. That means, let's say, because everyone joining this program are professionals, right? Maybe sometimes you have a big work at your office. Sometimes maybe you may have some special personal things that you could attend. So that day you can refer the video and you can learn, you can understand. And if you have any clarity, if you want any clarity about the class, then you can refer or you can go through the video again, you can learn it again. So that is the beauty, right? These are the methodology. And how we evaluate your learnings, that is another one of important thing. Actually, there are 10 classes as we mentioned, and your 80% attendance is must. Right? That is, and please understand, 80% attendance is must. We monitor your attendance and we share all the attendance with you. And there are small module specific assignments are there, because what you learn, some subjects, not for all, some subject, we will give you a small homework, very simply. Assessment, why we give this assessment? Not to check your knowledge actually. We are guarantee your knowledge, right? Why we give this assessment? Because you need to go and try to practice what you have learned during the class. That is the objective. Now, let's say your assignments, you are not getting 100 marks, 95 marks, but you need to do it to practically experience by yourself how you use these learnings. And if you face any problem while you are doing, then you next day or while in the same day, you can ask any question at any time, then you can clarify any challenges what you face. That is why you get these assignments. And number 3, at the end of the course, we will have a small exam. That's an online exam, right? It's an open book and it's an online exam, MCQ exam, You will get one question and we will ask 4 answers. So the best answer you need to mark it, right? It's called the MCQ question. You will get a small exam paper based on what you have learned on that 10 days. So then you need to get the 70 marks for pass the exam. So those are the very simple evaluation. Most important thing is not the exam, how you implement what you have learned. And we'll go to the rewarding. Yes, definitely you will, there should be a rewarding for your learning, right? Most important thing is, right, so when you complete this program and the top 3 people, right, that we call the toppers or the batch tops, top 3 batch tops, you will get a separate specialized certificate. We call the gold certificate. We have already shared you the sample of certificate. You can see one is a gold certificate, other one is the normal certificate, merit certificate, right? The batch tops, 3 batch tops will get the gold certificate, and that one mentioned in the certificates too, right? That we are mentioned that you are the top of this class. That's batch top. And another thing is, if you become the batch top or these 3, you will get another special discount if you do a second course in Academy for Lean. That's another one. So you will have a recognition in your performance, plus you will get a monetary benefit also because of your winning or because of your achievement. We need to recognize. The second one, if anyone achieve more than 80% marks for your final exams, you will get merit certificate, right? That means, let's say all the students who are in the class get more than 80 marks, definitely everyone get the merit certificate. Let's say if you couldn't get the merit certificate, if you achieve 70% marks, definitely you will get the pass certificate. So these are the 3 things that you are going to be recognized by doing this program. So this is the one and only program, BIQ or Jidoka certification program. You can do it. So these are the rewarding, and this is the method. So you will be with us for next 10 days to learn, to achieve, and to execute what you are learning. Yes, Dilip. And this is the certificate. We have already, some people I saw, some people has asked, can we see a sample certificate? So we have already shared the certificates, 2 certificates. And there's a specialty in this certificate. Please listen carefully. I hope you are listening carefully. So why? Because this is the recognition you get, no? So this certificate what you get, this is the original certificate, right? The certificate what you get is not just a piece of paper, right? So there are a lot of securities, lot of recognition, lot of things we are incorporated into certificates. Very simply, first one is, you can see the directly QR code is there. So if anyone scan your certificate, it will be direct to the academyforlean.com website, and it will show us everything about this course, right? And the second one is the hologram authenticity sticker, right? That is really important because you will get a hologram sticker with the unique number. This is called the credential number. Maybe if you are very good in LinkedIn, you have seen there are some place called the credential number. That's my unique number that comes to you only, right? And the certificate cannot be duplicated. So that is another important, right? Let's say if you forget your certificate, if you lost your certificate, not forget, if you lost your certificate, if you ask from us, okay, can I get a sample or can I get a duplicate certificate? So what we need to tell is, sorry, we also cannot duplicate your certificate, right? So it is original certificate. That's because of this hologram sticker and the unique number. And you have a embossed seal. It's come with the embossed seal, gold color sticker and the red color sticker. So it's says another way of originality of the certificate. And there's another unique number mentioned on the certificate, right? So the same number in the authenticity sticker and your certificate, we both have the same unique number. And the last one, you will set an original certificate. There's another hologram sticker. It says that this is an original certificate. You cannot remove these stickers or you cannot duplicate. Now, let's say what is this unique number? If you want to check, if you or someone want to check, let's say you are applying for a new job, and you have mentioned your qualification in your LinkedIn. With this credential number, if you want to check, or if any HR department want to check whether you have get the original certificate, just go to the website called www.academyforlean.com. Even you can go now, and there's a tab called the search certificate. That's a verification. Just type this number, then that means the owner of the certificates full detail comes there, right? That means no one can duplicate. So you can prove you have clearly learned this one. So that is the security or the credit we have given to your qualification, and this is worldwide recognized certificate. Right. So that is the program, and that is how you learn it, and this is the certification you get. Because why we explain this one, because a lot of people has asked in our WhatsApp group, do you get certificate, what is the certificate, can I see the sample? So that is why we explain a little bit more and take a little bit time to explain the certificate. Yeah, Dilip.
Okay, thanks, Darshana. Thanks for the introduction to the course, Chatura. All right, so I'll take you, before I move on with the slides, I just want to remind for the people who joined late, we are having another session in Sinhalese, 10 p.m. Sri Lankan time today. So you can join if somebody joined late and didn't capture the entire presentation, you can join again. All right, so let me take you now. Darshan and Chatura explained the benefits of this the learning platform, as well as the learning outcome of the whole training program. But what are the customers or the participants say? So please read this. I'm not going to read on the slide, but as you can see, people are from Jordan and people from Pakistan, Tushara, and then Sabita. They have participated to this course, and they find it very interesting, as well as the Darshana said, they managed to use the learning in their own organizations. That's the most important part of it. So just take time to read the testimonials in the social media platforms as well as the websites. Then you will feel confident in joining this program. Another two people provide recommendation and testimonials from overseas. Ishan from Indonesia, as well as on my right, Prabhat from Vietnam. So these are now another thing, when you participate to this program, as well as when you join to our alumni after the training program, you will again exposed into many areas. Say you have a problem, still you need some support. You can openly discuss in that alumni forum, as well as you can talk to my two trainers. So they will help you to even after the program, we consider that as a opportunity for you to problem solve. Okay. Now, these are the start date and time. We will be starting the fifth batch on September 13th, as shown on the screen now. English language class program will be start Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Sri Lankan time. And the Sinhala language, the Sinhala medium program will be starting Saturday after the English session, that is 10 p.m. Sri Lankan time. And we have mentioned the 7:30 p.m. Jordan time for the people who are joining in that region. So I'll keep this slide for a minute for you to just understand the timing. All right, we will be anyway sharing this after the presentation also, so you can just have a look at it. Okay. So as I was explaining earlier, we are present in many of our social media platforms, as you can see, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. So this is the wealth of our organization, and this is one way of showing how good we are at what we are doing. So please go through these websites and social media platforms to understand becoming a participant in Academy for Lean. What are the benefits that you can gain by participating to not only to the specific training program that we are discussing today, but also many other learning programs that you can come across. Right. Okay. Now, the payments. Now, there are two ways you can do it. The payment is in rupees, it's 44,000 rupees. In USDs, it's 145 and 105 GOD. You can invest this at one go, or you can pay in 4 installments. So we will give you that option to ease your financial burden. Please contact through the WhatsApp. So we will help you to break this into 4 installments. Right. Now, how do we start? You already in the WhatsApp group. Now, Darshana from Lean Academy for Lean will be sharing the link to the application. You will now get that link, and then you have to fill that link, include all the information which are requested in the link, and then soon after you fill the application, you can pay the first installment if you want installment basis, or you can pay the full price and share that slip privately to the number shown here. Write down the number +94 754 558 558. So fill the application and share the first installment or whatever payment that you make into this number privately. Hope everyone is clear, and you can start even filling now. And also, while everyone filling the forms, I will open this forum for Q&A. Please feel free to ask any questions or clarifications that you may have about the technical part of the training program, or you can even ask about the logistics, timing, if you are not clear about anything on these things as well. So now the forum is open for Q&A, and people who are filling the application also can continue to fill up the application. Thank you. And even after this session, if you still have any questions, any challenge, please feel free to post it on WhatsApp. We have 1 week.
Sorry, Wahidul, no? Sorry, Wahidul. So if I make mistakes when I pronounce your name, I apologize. So actually, there are no discounts schemes in Academy for Lean, because we are guarantee our program, the quality and the validation of the certificate. So we never give what you call the discounts, but we have discounts for the second course if you have done the first course. But if you do the second course, definitely we have a membership discount. That means if you get the gold certificate, there are 25% discount for the second course. And anyone who doing the second course, definitely you will get 10% discount for the second one. That is for the membership discounts. But for the non-members, actually we do not give any discounts. Thank you. Yeah, that's good. Good question, actually. Right. Thank you, Abdul. Thank you very much, Mr. Abdul. Yes, of course, we will connect with you. Because the course, the validity, the content, what you learn, and the validity of the certification, that we are 100% guaranteed. And as Dileepa said, you cannot learn these things. These things mean that these 10 things, what you have gone through, these subjects, the content, you cannot learn anywhere in the world by following a course. Yes, there are a lot of people you can get personally contact, and some organization teach, but openly no one will teach this one, because these are the things that hiddenly keep some people, some organization, they are not exposed this lean quality part or the Jidoka BK part to the normal people. So we are the first to deliver, take this one, as Dilip explained at the very beginning. So that is why we guarantee the learning of this course.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes, please.
If I join with two sessions, that's mean Sinhalese and English. What are the rules and regulations?
Thank you. No any rule and regulation. Let's say you join in English class, and the same day you have the single class. Let's say 8 o'clock we have English class, 10 o'clock we have single class. You can join both. And let's say if you not understand clearly in the English class, you can go through the single class and you can learn it. There are no any additional payment. So the same payment you can go through. And let's say another thing, let's say normally you are normally come for the English class. It's going to the 8 p.m. Let's say something happened. I mean, you have some event or party or something, because that day you cannot join for the 8 p.m. class. So the same session will be repeated in single at 10 o'clock. So you can join 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
So that is the easiest way.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
it doesn't matter. You can go join for anything.
Okay.
Good. Thanks, Rehan. Thank you very much for asking. It's good. Actually, it's not the question for you. I think others also have the same question. So you ask a good question for others too. Thank you. So anyone, please?
You're welcome.
Mr. Jaduranga? Yeah, please.
Do you provide any recordings?
Yeah, definitely. We provide the recording.
Okay,
So you-
sometimes we say we can't join the class, and
Correct.
that's
That's
why.
why. Yeah, Mr. Chaturanga, because you have 2-3 chances. You can join English one, you can join single one, or you can go through the recording. We provide all the recordings. Thanks. Good question. Please, you can type it, or you can unmute and ask anything. Please ask it. So we are free to explain.
Adding to that, Chaturanga's question. So we will not, once we, complete the session, the, class, you will get the recording that's the same day or the other day, like we will not, take 1 or 2 weeks to, provide you the recordings. You will get the recording soon after we finish the class. So you don't need to, wait for recordings.
How many hours active the recording?
Okay. So let's say our classes, like I said, we have 10 classes. Each class has, 2 hours. And the same recording contain the 2-hour class content. So you will get the 2-hour recording.
And it will be lifetime, the access.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
And the thing is, these recordings we share only with the students only, right? So it cannot be visible for anyone. Only we will share with you, I mean the students only. Because once they start the class, so all the students we will be move into the separate WhatsApp group, not the WhatsApp group now you are in. So we share all the handouts to the notes, assignments, and the recordings, everything in that separate WhatsApp group. So it's a lifetime. No worries.
Okay, clear.
Thanks, Ran. Thanks for asking.
So don't think you're going to ask any silly questions. This is your time. We want to hear from you. And if you have any concern, this is, a good opportunity to clarify everything. So ask anything, doesn't matter. We will be, we are there to help you. We are there to, answer your questions.
Yeah, so you will be learning how you can use Lean to improve the quality functions of your department. So that will be we are guaranteed that's amazing learning for you. So many things you will learn, the practical things, and we will share you the practical thing, our experience. Done, Dilip?
Yeah, I think we should conclude. Thank you very much for joining, and thank you to the both lecturers. And as we are concluding today, hope everyone to register, and also see you everyone in the live sessions. And please, until then, you have 1 week. Please decide, and if you still have clarifications, please feel free to ask. And even you can text WhatsApp to us personally, and check with us any challenge you have. So see you soon in the
Yeah, one
live
question,
session.
Dilip. They asked
sorry.
whether yeah, no problem. Whether we share the hard and soft copy. Yes, we share both. We will courier you the hard copy, and before that, we will share you the e-copy also.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you very much. See you.
Thank you all.
Hello?
Yes, please.